Hey Johnny, do you want to try the new diner down the street? Sure, I heard they have really good food, especially their omelets. Susan went there last weekend and said it was the best breakfast place in the town. Yeah, I heard the same thing from Janet. She waited an hour for a table. I don't think I can wait for an hour. I am hungry right now. Do you want to make a breakfast at home? Okay, what do you like to eat? I had like to eat ham and cheese omelette. That sounds good. Do we have all of the ingredients? Well, we only need eggs, ham, and cheese. I think we may be out of a ham. I used to the last few slices for a sandwich yesterday. Okay, how about the vegetable omelette? That's good too. We have a green peppers, mushrooms, and onions. That's perfect. Great, I will brew some coffee and you make the omelette. I don't know how to make an omelette. You don't? Well, I don't either. Let's just go to a new diner. That sounds like a better plan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.